What an amazing, fantastic weekend it's been so far.
Really good.
I really didn't know what to expect.
No.
When I got the invitation from Sue and Kathy
Absolutely.
to attend the course, I really didn't know what type of people would be here,
No.
what we'd be talking about, what what I'd get out from it. So I came in completely open-minded,
Yeah.
not knowing what to expect.
Totally.
And I say we're on day 2, middle of day 2, and it's been absolutely fantastic.
Fantastic.
I've just learnt so much, mainly about myself, that
Yes.
I just didn't know before yesterday.
Yes.
So, and I think to me, probably what I will come away with from this course is knowing my why.
Oh, that's
And I hadn't really,
so
I hadn't really
powerful.
thought about it until
Yeah.
this weekend, and I think that is going to be my biggest motivation.
Yeah, yeah, and
in terms
expressing
of-
that to people that you've only just recently met, and actually having the opportunity in kind of like a safe space to speak your why,
Yes,
which was
absolutely.
fantastic and pushed me right out of my comfort zone,
Yeah.
because it's just not something that I would readily talk about, and of course it's the prime mover of why I do what I do.
Yeah, absolutely. I
So-
mean, before yesterday, I'd never ever met you before.
No.
I've just learnt so much about what you
Yeah.
do, and I'd never even heard of what you do in your business before.
No.
And I've learnt so much.
Yeah, and there's so much synergy between what we both do and our kind of like your sort of environmental feelings and mine about the environment and animals and so forth, and how that kind of feeds through to the therapy work that we do, above and beyond the fact that we want to support clients and work with them. It's a far more fundamental why that drives us.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I think I've learnt the why, and coming back to what I said before, I've learnt more about me than I realised. I had no idea that I'm an extrovert. I always thought I was an introvert.
Yes.
Last 46 years now, I'm an introvert.
Yes.
I'm a quiet person, I'm quite shy, but actually no, I'm not. That's
No.
the person I thought I was. So yes, I'd like to discover a bit more about that on this journey ahead. Who knows where this journey will go? But I think what Sue and Kathy have provided through this workshop, working with everyone else.
Yes.
There's 20 people in this room that I've never met before.
Absolutely.
And the ideas I've got from them, and different pieces of advice, or
Yes.
make sure that you approach your business, make sure that you're not preaching to people.
Yes.
So it's all these things. Yes.
Oh,
I hadn't realised that. So it's really it's opened my eyes
Yes.
to just endless possibilities ahead. So
and
I'm
Kathy
really,
and Sue's
motivated.
energy is amazing.
absolutely.
The way they've structured this course, because I haven't seen a course before that was marrying our therapeutic businesses and kind of standard business training. It's a unique course, and it's just been wonderful to get to know everybody else. And like I was saying yesterday, I'm not alone. I don't feel alone anymore in so many of these issues that I had, because so many of us work from home, so we're in these silos and stuff, and it's just great to have met you all and know that we can carry this on, and we all want to carry it on, don't we?
Yeah,
And
absolutely. I mean, certainly when I arrived here yesterday, my mood was a little bit, what should I do? Am I doing the right thing? Where's this going to lead me to? So my mood was a little bit ambivalent.
Yes.
And to be honest, whereas now I think at the end of today, at the end of this weekend, my mood is definitely going to be positive.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah.
Always end on a positive.